Hey guys, this is Scott Joel from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Hey, just want to give you guys a tour of this new 2020. It is a Sportsman by KZ. The model is a 231BHKLE. Let's take a look at it. Okay, inside the 231 Sportsman, you can see that you've got a nice, very spacious kitchen. You've got cupboards up above that are deep enough for a dinner plate, which is very important. A lot of trailers have shallow cabinets, so you can't even fit a dinner plate in those, but they've thought of that in this unit. You've got thermofoil countertops, so that's nice. They're one piece, and there's no seams, no rubber insert molding, and no wood to warp. They also put a nice sink cover on there. It does have a nice barn-style large sink, Veurink cooktop, microwave, of course. Lots of storage down below, and then as you get into the back, you've got your double over double bunk beds. The bottom bunk bed is rated for about 550 pounds. The top one is 300, so you can still sleep adults inside those. Then as you look over to the right here, you've got, across from your kitchen, you've got the 12 volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator. So that's the biggest refrigerator you can get in a unit this size. You also do have a pantry, and I'll kind of sneak in front of the camera so you can see that. So you get lots of storage there. So you have a full bathroom in here. You do have obviously the toilet there. You have a nice big shower, and it does have a surround in it. A lot of units do not put a surround in it. So this is a really nice feature too. It keeps leaking basically down to zero. And this bathroom is big enough too where you can actually change your clothes in it. A lot of the bathrooms you see in units this size are very small and you can hardly move in them. It does have a nice vanity mirror in it, and one plus with this also is there is storage behind that. A lot of units will give you just a mirror on the wall. And of course you got your lavatory sink there, plug-ins, and then storage underneath. So a lot of room in this bathroom, again, for such a small unit. And then you can see in the slide out of the 231 here, you've got a nice deep dinette, very, very large window, so let a lot of light in. What I like that they do here is they give you doors on both sides that you can open. You don't have to go through the cushion to get to it, and then they also give you the trays. So it makes storage a lot easier than your typical trailer with no doors. You also, new for 2020, they have the king size bed now. So that's going to be a standard item. They're all going to come with that, as long as they've been made in the last few months. And you still are going to have shirt hangers on the sides, so you can hang shirts and things on both sides. But now you have nice nightstands on both sides, USB ports for both, and then you also do have a 110 outlet on the side of the unit. And then up above, you also have cabinets up there. I'll open one of those up. So you've got nice cabinetry there. A lot of your companies will just put a shelf up there, and going down the road, nothing can stay up there. It just falls out. So nice feature that they do here. And then also just to your right is where your Veurink soundbar is. So this will play music and everything will run through here. It'll also play on your outside speakers. But this has a really, really nice sound to it. And it's of course also Bluetooth. Okay, on the outside of the Sportsman, the first thing I like to point out is it's pre-wired for a solar charger. So you can buy a portable solar charger and just set it right on the ground, and that'll keep your battery charged. In the front also here, we have a power tongue jack, so there's no cranking in the front. Makes it nice and easy. The new solid step is a great feature. It's a much sturdier step, and the legs are adjustable, so you can set it to whatever kind of ground slope you have. The awning is huge. It's basically as big as you can get on this travel trailer. It does have LED lighting and its power, of course. And then one thing I did point out inside was the big window, which is a new feature they've done in just the last few months. Outside speakers from the stereo. The other nice thing is they've been putting a grill in these newest ones, so they don't have the 2-burner cooktop anymore. You can still set a pan and boil water on it, but you can use it as a grill also, which is great. And then you also have your refrigerator on the outside. We do order our units with spares, which is on the back. We do have an outside shower here also, and of course you've got your stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. All right guys, thank you for watching the video on the Sportsman 231BHKLE. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, give me a call direct at 616-965-9624. You can text that number also, or if you want to get a hold of me by email, it is scott@veurinksrv.com. Thanks for watching.